or strange invaders when these kids' meals are just for kids. And so's what's inside. Hey,
This is the emergency alert system speaking. A giant food storm will spread across the globe. First it will hit New York, then Paris, then the Japanese of China, and in 4 hours, the entire Earth's hemisphere will be one big potluck. This is not a test. Watch out for falling foods. This is the emergency alert system speaking. A giant food storm will spread across the globe. First it will hit New York, then Paris, then the Japanese of China, and in 4 hours, the entire Earth's hemisphere will be one big potluck. This is not a test. Watch out for falling foods. This is the emergency alert system speaking. A giant food storm will spread across the globe. First it will hit New York, then Paris, then the Japanese of China, and in 4 hours, the entire Earth's hemisphere will be one big potluck. This is not a test. Watch out for falling foods. This is the emergency alert system speaking. A giant food storm will spread across the globe. First it will hit New York, then Paris, then the Japanese of China, and in 4 hours, the entire Earth's hemisphere will be one big potluck. This is not a test. Watch out for falling foods.
Pay.